Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials. Check the Xuv700 infotainment firmware level and update it if needed because compatibility matters. Next, plug a high-quality USB-C cable into the car's USB port and your phone. Cheap cables often fail data transfer. Once done, unlock your phone, accept the Android Auto prompt, and grant required permissions, location, contacts, and notifications, so the system can access maps and messages. This gets you out of the gate and into the initial pairing process quickly, and you now focus on pairing and layout. On the Xuv700, tap Android Auto to initiate the handshake and watch both screens for prompts. Make sure you accept pairing requests on your phone, then choose which apps are visible, maps, messages, music, so you avoid clutter. Once connected, set the car's audio output to the infotainment system and tweak display brightness and orientation for glare-free visibility. If you do these steps deliberately, the interface becomes predictable, and voice commands will respond more accurately. You finish by verifying functionality. Test Google Assistant voice commands, start navigation, and make a test call so audio routing is correct. If something fails, first swap the USB cable or use the other USB port, because connection faults are the most common issue. Make sure to restart both phone and infotainment if problems persist, and clear the Android Auto app cache on your phone. This often resolves pairing glitches. If none of that works, recheck firmware versions and contact dealer support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.